Buenas tardes todos, it's Lacey from our life in Guanajuato, Mexico. Ellie! She's attacking me. We just got home today. I'm recording. It's Valentine's Day and we just got back from having a lunch and running some errands in town. And now we're gonna let... Yes. Ellie. Now we're gonna let all of the animals out for their evening run around the yard. Here's Trouble. We're gonna clean some pens. We'll let the little piggies out. Ay, cuidado! There's Flora. She's not sure if she wants to come and hang out. She's very pregnant. So sometimes she comes out, sometimes she doesn't. Here comes the chickens.
Happy Valentine's Day!
Alright. Here comes the turkeys and the chickens. All of our construction material that we've been ordering for the wall. Huh? Open your juice box. See? What'd you get?
A bag.
Ooh, peach?
Yeah.
Durazno?
Yeah.
The sheeps are hungry. And we had the iron workers, that's what it translates to, or the welders, come and install doors. Of course they have to go check out the chicken run. Just a minute. Let me get them out of here. Out! 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 Alright. Everybody's out. Allie's already helping. Yes! So here are the new doors that they came and installed. One on the chicken run and one on the other chicken run that we are using for a pig pen right now. Yeah, you want to come out? Okay, come on. Pretty girl does not like being touched at all. She will scream and run away as fast as she can. Oh yeah, eat all the chicken food. So we're gonna have to feed the chickens again. Right, Trouble. Right, Trouble. Oh, Flora's going back in. She's had enough. Yeah, Big Mama's going back in. She's about to give birth in 2 weeks. She's like, I've had enough. You guys go away. When are those pretty babies coming, huh? More babies? You still got babies running around. Hi, Trouble. Look at her wagging her tail. Here's a happy girl. And here comes my best friend and the love of my life. Right, Pa? He's had a full day of spoiling all his girls in Junior.
Consentir toda la familia. Consentida.
We went out to how do you say it in Espanol? Marisqueria?
Mariscos.
Mariscos. Oh my goodness, she went in the pond. Look at her. And now she's scratching her butt. Here's where we keep all the animal food. This is for the bedding. The corn stalk is for the bedding for the pigs right now. And hay and oatmeal, I think it is. Avena? Or la otro?
Es pastura con sorgo.
Sorgo. Okay.
Sorgo. O les voy a dar de comer primero a los puerquillas chiquillas, pero,
sí.
Pero esta es la lactancia, se le llama. Esta es para Flor. Como ya Flor ya va a dar a luz, le falta como una semana y media más o menos. Entonces le voy a cambiar la dieta. ¿Para qué? Para que produzcan un poquito más rápido de leche para los puerquitos. Cuando nazcan, pues ella te llena más de lo normal. ¿Para qué? Para que los puerquitos no pasen hambre. Y esta pues hay que dársela siquiera un mes.
Ay, ay, ay. Big mama. There's a turkey over there. Cuidado. There she is. She's not going to abandon her nest. That's good. But I don't think her eggs are fertile. Yes, you are really fast. Holy, you're really fast. Let's go in the house and get pajamas on. All right. Pajamas! Okay. Let me turn on the light. Oh, I got me flowers for Valentine's Day. And the kids made cards. And this is my present from Pa. Aren't they beautiful? My favorite is the sunflower. That was hectic outside. I didn't get to film the rest of it. The animals are running around, the kids are running around, and we're just really enjoying our evening. But everybody got fed and tucked in for the night. All of the kids have their pajamas on and they're out watching a movie. I just wanted to comment on the doors. Both of the doors were 7,000 pesos total for both of them, which is, let me think, which is about, I think, 350 US dollars right now with the conversion. I just wanted to comment about building here in Mexico. I have always really liked the idea of being able to come out and build and just sizing our window however big we want it to be, or our doorways, and just building, and then the iron workers come out or the woodworkers come out and they just build a custom door or custom window to whatever hole that you're trying to cover or fill, which is very different than over in the United States, where you just go and you purchase your windows or your standard size door and then you build your home to make sure that those measurements fit. It's pretty much the opposite here in Mexico. So they're so nice because Pa installed wood doors. If you had followed on another video in the past, he installed the wood doors that were on there, but the pigs were just destroying them. They're huge, strong animals. So we needed the iron doors ASAP because they're getting a lot bigger and a lot stronger. All right, so I wanted to add a little section onto this video about moving to Mexico, and that's what this section is going to be on. This one is going to be about, do we feel safe here in Mexico? And the answer to that is yes, we feel really safe here. If we didn't feel safe here, I would definitely reconsider. The most common crime around us is theft, I would like to say, that affects a lot of people on a daily basis. And that would be like theft by swindle or just stolen property. And there are like some local scams going on in regards to like selling vehicles or paying people that you don't know to do a job and then they don't do the job, those kinds of things. So obviously those really aren't safety concerns, but working on a tight budget like we're on and like all the other families living here in our community, it's not fun when you get taken advantage of, when you get stolen from, and that does tend to happen. We've had a couple experiences with that, but we can just say when you come here, you can just go to your local people or ask others that you do know for recommendations for services that you might need, and that will take you a long way, because people tend to care a lot about the relationships with the people that they have in the community. And so if there's an outsider that wants to come in and do a job or a service, or I want to purchase something outside of the community, there is a lot more risk in doing that. But as far as safety goes, my family and I feel very, very safe here in our little mountain village here in Guanajuato. Like I've mentioned in other videos, and as many of you know, there's crime everywhere throughout the world. I don't feel like I've experienced more crime here than I've experienced anywhere else. We've been here for over 4.5 years, and I've been saying that for 4.5 years, and I still get to say that. So I hope that answers that question. I forgot who messaged me or commented. I've had several people actually mention that one fact: do we feel safe here in Mexico? And we do. So I hope that answers that. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber for more videos just like this. Our family homesteading life, rancho life here in the mountains of Guanajuato. And I'm doing a little series of Move to Mexico. So we'll catch you on the next one. Adios.